Well, as you saw in my recent video, I thought I had gotten my last watch for 2018. Nope. My daughters and daughter-in-law surprised me with a watch for a holiday gift. Stay tuned to see what it is. Hawaii, the Aloha State, paradise of the Pacific. Who would have guessed I'd ever own a watch related to Hawaii? Well, now I do. Let's take a closer look at my Koa Stonewashed watch from Original Grain. Original Grain is a watchmaker that started out about 2013 by two brothers, Ryan and Andrew Beltram, who wanted to create watches that were inspired by the Pacific Northwest. The watch I was given is called the Koa Stonewashed Steel Barrel. And as the name suggests, it's made of both steel that has been tumbled in stone to give it this distressed antique look, and wood from the Hawaiian acacia koa tree. And the wood is sustainably sourced. In fact, they plant a tree for every watch that they sell. This wood was used by the Hawaiian people to make their dugout outrigger canoes, as well as certain surfboards. It was even used to make some musical instruments like the ukulele. This watch is 42 millimeters and comes with a Miyota quartz movement. You can see that the dial is made of the koa wood with applied hour markers and a window for the date wheel. The bezel is also inlaid with koa wood, as are each of the links on the bracelet. Wearing this watch reminds me of the trip my family took to Hawaii many years ago. And the contrast between the wood grain and the dark distressed steel is very reminiscent of the contrast in Hawaii between the tropical forests and the stark terrain of the volcanoes. This watch comes with a double pinch clasp, butterfly clasp, and on the back is what looks like a screw down crown with the watch specifics on it. It has a signed crown which has two positions, one for setting the time and it hacks, and the other for quick setting of the date. All in all, it's a very comfortable watch and one I'm sure I'll enjoy for years. Well, I know this is the last watch that I will have acquired in 2018 because I'm actually making this video in 2019. If interested, please take a look at my past two videos on the state of my watch collection and what's on my radar for 2019. You can see links to both of those videos here on the screen. And remember, please subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Aloha.